Welcome back to my YouTube channel Noor Designs Collection. Let me tell you, today we are going to talk about wedding outfits. Whether you are the bride, groom, or a guest attending a wedding, choosing the perfect outfit is always exciting yet challenging. In this video, I will be sharing the latest wedding fashion trends, outfit ideas for different wedding functions, and tips on how to style them beautifully. So, stay tuned till the end to find the best wedding outfit inspiration for you. Weddings are not just about celebrations, they are about style, elegance, and making a statement. Whether you are the bride, groom or wedding guest, a perfect outfit suits everyone's personality and more. In this video I am going to share with you the latest wedding fashion trends, which will include everything from traditional, contemporary and fusion looks. So if you want your look to be the best,
hijab outfits can be both elegant and modest. Here are some stylish options. 1. Traditional and classic looks. Anarkali dress. A long, flowy anarkali with gold or silver detailing, perfect for a royal wedding look. A hijab anarkali dress is a beautiful choice for weddings, blending modesty with elegance. Here are some stunning styles to consider. 1. Classic anarkali gown. Floor-length anarkali with flowy fabric, chiffon, georgette, or silk fabrics enhance the royal look. Rich embroidery or zari work, ideal for a traditional wedding vibe. Pair with a matching or contrast hijab. Pastel and gold combo, soft shades like peach, mint, or lavender with golden embroidery for a dreamy look. 2. Jacket style anarkali. A long embroidered jacket over a simple anarkali dress, adding depth and a regal touch. Pair with a chiffon or net hijab for an elegant contrast. 3. Cape style anarkali. A cape overlay with heavy embellishments for a trendy yet modest appearance. Go for neutral tones like beige, ivory, or champagne for a sophisticated look. 4. Layered or frilled anarkali. Multi-layered or ruffled designs add volume and grace to the outfit. Works best with a monotone hijab for a balanced, elegant appeal. Hijab styling with anarkali. Drape a matching or contrast hijab in soft fabric like chiffon or georgette. Use a brooch or embellished hijab pin for a wedding touch. Try a side-draped hijab or layered hijab style to complement the flowy anarkali. Would you like color suggestions based on the wedding theme?
Sharara and Gharara outfits with hijab for weddings. Sharara and Gharara suits are perfect for weddings, combining elegance with a traditional touch. Here are some stylish ideas. 1. Classic Sharara set. Flared Sharara pants with a long kurti, heavy embroidery or zari work makes it ideal for weddings. Pastel colors with gold embellishments, shades like blush pink, mint green, or lavender give a dreamy look. Pair with a chiffon or net dupatta, drape it over one shoulder or around the arms for a regal feel. 2. Traditional Gharara look. Short kurti with Gharara pants, a fitted short kurti with heavily pleated Gharara bottoms for a vintage royal look. Rich fabrics like velvet or silk, perfect for a winter wedding. Contrast hijab styling. A deep green Gharara with a gold kurti and a beige or golden hijab looks stunning. 3. Cape style Sharara, Gharara. Embroidered cape over a simple suit, modern and elegant. Monotone look in luxe fabrics, shades like champagne, emerald, or deep maroon make a statement. 4. Peplum top with Sharara or Gharara. A peplum kurti with a heavily embroidered Sharara, Gharara gives a modern yet traditional vibe. Works well with organza or georgette hijab in a soft draped style. Hijab styling tips. Soft, flowing fabrics, chiffon, georgette, or silk hijab complement the outfit beautifully. Embellished or lace-edged hijab adds a wedding-appropriate touch. Draped or layered hijab styles, side-draped, turban style, or loose-layered hijab work well. Matching or contrast look. If the outfit is heavily embellished, a simple hijab balances the look. For a plain suit, an embroidered or shimmer hijab enhances the elegance. Would you like help choosing colors or accessorizing your elegant abaya gown outfits with hijab for weddings? For a wedding, abaya gowns paired with a stylish hijab create a regal and graceful look. Here are some sophisticated outfit ideas. 1. Embellished abaya gown. Fabric, velvet, satin, or silk with intricate embroidery, sequins, or beadwork. Colors, deep hues like maroon, navy blue, emerald green, or classic black with gold, silver accents. Pair with a chiffon or silk hijab in a matching or contrasting shade for an elegant look. 2. Open front abaya with inner gown. Style, a fully embroidered or lace-trimmed open abaya over floor-length gown. Fabrics: satin, georgette, or organza for a soft and flowy silhouette. Colors: soft pastels like champagne, blush pink, or ivory for a dreamy look. Hijab: a simple satin or georgette hijab with pearl or lace detailing. 3. Kate style abaya gown. Style: a cape overlay attached to the gown, giving a royal and modern touch. Best colors: monochrome shades like gold, silver, or deep jewel tones. Hijab: a draped chiffon hijab with a brooch or pin for a sophisticated touch. 4. Pleated or ruffled abaya gown. Style: flowy pleats or layered ruffles for a dramatic and elegant effect. Best fabrics: satin or chiffon for a smooth and graceful fall. Colors: neutral tones like ivory, champagne, soft grey, or metallic shades. Hijab: a loose layered hijab style with minimal accessories for a classy touch. 5. Kaftan style abaya gown. Style: a loose fitted kaftan abaya with intricate embroidery or crystal embellishments. Best colors: gold, silver, deep burgundy, or black with metallic details. Hijab: a matching silk or georgette hijab draped elegantly over the shoulders. Hijab styling tips for a wedding look. Fabric choice: chiffon, georgette, silk, or satin for a luxurious feel. Draping styles: side draped hijab for a soft and feminine touch. Layered hijab for a voluminous yet elegant look. Turban style hijab for a chic and modern appearance. Accessories: pearl or crystal hijab pins for a glamorous touch. Embroidered or lace-edged hijab for extra elegance. Would you like suggestions based on a specific color theme or wedding type? How to wear a sari with a hijab for a wedding. Wearing a sari with a hijab can look incredibly graceful and elegant, combining modesty with traditional charm. Here's how you can style it perfectly for a wedding. 1. Sari fabric and embellishments. For a wedding, choose rich fabrics and intricate designs. Silk sari, Banarasi, Kanjivaram, or Chanderi silk for a royal look. Georgette or chiffon sari, light and flowy with subtle embroidery. Net or organza sari, perfect for a delicate and dreamy bridal or guest look. Velvet sari, luxurious and warm, great for winter weddings. 2. Blouse designed for a modest look. High neck or full sleeve blouse with embroidery or lace. Peplum style blouse for extra coverage and a modern touch. Kate style blouse for an elegant, flowy silhouette. 3. How to drape a sari with a hijab. Classic draping with a pallu over the shoulder. Keep the sari's pallu open, letting the embroidery shine. Belted sari drape. Add a jeweled belt over the sari for structure and elegance. Gown style draping. Pin the pleats neatly for a lehenga-like effect. 4. Best hijab styles for a sari. Side draped hijab, elegant and traditional, allowing the earrings to show. Turban style hijab, a chic and modern option, best for heavily embroidered saris. Layered hijab with a dupatta overlay, adds volume and blends with the sari pallu beautifully. Loose wrap hijab with accessories, a soft chiffon or silk hijab, loosely pinned for a graceful look. 5. Hijab fabric and color matching. Silk or chiffon hijab, flowy and elegant, best for formal occasions. Matching hijab, same color as the sari for a seamless look. Contrast hijab, a complementary color like gold with red, or navy blue with silver. 6. Accessories to enhance the look. Statement earrings, jhumkas or chandelier earrings peeking from the hijab. Mang tikka over the hijab, a beautiful fusion of modesty and tradition. Brooch or pin on the hijab, adds sparkle and secures the hijab in place. Waist belt, enhances the sari drape while defining the waist. Would you like specific color combinations or hijab styling tutorials for saris?
Elegant suit outfits with hijab for weddings. A suit outfit with a hijab is a perfect blend of tradition and modesty for weddings. Whether you're a bride, bridesmaid, or guest, here are some stylish options. 1. Anarkali suit with hijab. Style: a floor-length anarkali with heavy embroidery, mirror work, or sequins. Fabric: silk, georgette, or chiffon for a graceful flow. Colors: royal blue, emerald green, deep maroon, or pastel shades like peach and lilac. Hijab: a matching or contrast chiffon hijab, side draped or layered for an elegant look. 2. Sharara suit with hijab. Style: a long, embroidered kurti paired with flared sharara pants. Fabric: velvet, brocade, or net for a regal vibe. Colors: classic wedding tones like gold, ivory, or deep burgundy. Hijab: a silk or georgette hijab, loosely draped with a hijab pin for extra glam. 3. Gharara suit with hijab. Style, a short, fitted kurti with heavily pleated gharara pants. Fabric, silk, organza, or net with intricate zardozi or go to work. Colors, traditional red, green, or gold for a bridal touch, or pastels for a bridesmaid look. Hijab, a draped chiffon hijab, styled with a brooch or pearls. 4. Palazzo suit with hijab. Style, a long camise with palazzo pants, perfect for a modern yet traditional look. Fabric, soft crepe, georgette, or raw silk with detailed embroidery. Colors, muted pastels like blush pink, powder blue, or champagne. Hijab, a matching or contrast hijab, styled in a turban or draped fashion. 5. Jacket style suit with hijab. Style, a floor-length jacket over a kurti and pants for a regal wedding appearance. Fabric, velvet, silk, or brocade for richness. Colors, black and gold, navy blue with silver, or deep plum. Hijab, a neatly pinned silk or satin hijab, complementing the embroidery. Hijab styling tips for a suit outfit. Soft and flowy fabrics, chiffon, georgette, or silk hijabs work best. Draping styles, side draped hijab for a classic, elegant look. Layered hijab for added volume. Turban style hijab for a modern touch. Accessories, pearl or crystal hijab pins for elegance. Mong tikka over the hijab for a fusion look. Matching clutch and heels to complete the outfit. Would you like help with color combinations or specific hijab styling guides? Styling tips for a suit outfit wedding edition. Pairing a hijab with a suit for a wedding requires the right fabric, draping style, and accessories to enhance your look while keeping it elegant. Here's how to style it perfectly. 1. Best hijab fabrics for a wedding suit. Choose fabrics that complement the richness of your outfit. Checkmark chiffon, lightweight, flowy, and elegant. Perfect for embroidered suits. Checkmark silk or satin, adds a luxurious shine, great for formal weddings. Checkmark georgette, soft, drapes beautifully, and works well for layered hijabs. Checkmark organza, sheer and delicate, ideal for a dreamy, princess-like effect. Crossmark avoid stiff fabrics like cotton or jersey, as they may not match the elegance of wedding attire. 2. Hijab draping styles for a suit. The way you drape your hijab can enhance your wedding look. Try these styles. Sparkles side draped hijab. Leaves one side longer, allowing it to drape over the shoulder. Looks great with anarkali or sharara suits. Best paired with dangling earrings or a mong tikka. Sparkles layered hijab. Creates a voluminous, elegant look. Works well with suits that have minimal embroidery. Adds a graceful touch, especially for palazzo or gharara suits. Sparkles turban style hijab. Modern and sophisticated, ideal for a sleek or Indo-Western suit. Highlights the neckline, perfect for embroidered collars or statement jewelry. Pair with a decorative hijab pin or a headpiece. Sparkles loose draped hijab. A relaxed and flowy style that complements heavily embroidered suits. Works well with chiffon or silk hijabs. Can be tucked into a belt for a structured look. Sparkles dupatta over hijab style. Wear a matching dupatta over your hijab for a traditional wedding look. Best with heavy suits like anarkali, sharara, or jacket-style suits. Secure it with a stylish brooch or pin for extra elegance. 3. Matching your hijab with your suit. Monochrome look. Match the hijab with the suit color for a seamless, elegant style. Contrast hijab. Choose a complementary shade, e.g., gold hijab with a maroon suit, navy hijab with silver embroidery. Embellished hijab. Go for a hijab with lace, pearls, or sequins to match the outfit's embroidery. 4. Accessories to elevate your hijab look. Sparkles hijab brooch or pin, adds sparkle and secures the hijab in place. Sparkles mong tikka over hijab, a fusion of tradition and modesty, perfect for bridal or bridesmaid looks. Sparkles statement earrings, pair with a side draped or loose hijab to let them shine. Sparkles hijab with lace edges, adds a delicate, wedding-appropriate touch. 5. Pro tips for a flawless hijab look. Checkmark use an undercap, keeps the hijab secure and prevents slipping. Checkmark secure with pins, hidden hijab pins ensure everything stays in place. Checkmark go for a neat and polished look, a smooth hijab style looks more elegant than a messy one. Checkmark match with makeup and jewelry, soft glam makeup and delicate accessories complete the look. Would you like specific hijab styles for your outfit type or wedding lehenga outfits with hijab for weddings? Wearing a lehenga with a hijab creates a stunning blend of traditional and modest fashion. Whether you're a bride, bridesmaid, or wedding guest, here are some stylish ways to wear a lehenga with a hijab. 1. Classic embroidered lehenga with hijab. Checkmark style. A heavily embroidered or zardozi lehenga with a long or short blouse. Checkmark fabric. Silk, velvet, brocade, or georgette for a rich and regal look. Checkmark colors. Traditional shades like red, maroon, emerald green, navy blue, or gold. Checkmark hijab style. Side draped chiffon or silk hijab to highlight the embroidery. Pair with statement earrings and a mong tikka over the hijab for a royal touch. 2. Peplum lehenga with hijab. Checkmark style. A long peplum style blouse with a flared lehenga skirt for full coverage. Checkmark fabric. Net, georgette, or organza with heavy embellishments. Checkmark colors. Pastel tones like blush pink, mint green, lavender, or ivory for a dreamy look. Checkmark hijab style. A layered or voluminous hijab in georgette for added elegance. Pair with a matching embroidered hijab or one with lace edges. 3. Jacket style lehenga with hijab. Checkmark style. A floor-length jacket over a lehenga skirt for a sophisticated look. Checkmark fabric. Silk, velvet, or organza with heavy embroidery or mirror work. Checkmark colors. Dark tones like royal blue, deep purple, or gold for a grand appeal. Checkmark hijab style. A neatly wrapped satin or silk hijab for a sleek look. Add a hijab brooch or jeweled headpiece for extra glamour. 4. Anarkali lehenga with hijab. Checkmark style. A floor-length anarkali dress with a lehenga skirt, combining elegance with tradition. Checkmark fabric. Chiffon, georgette, or silk with intricate embroidery. Checkmark colors. Jewel tones like ruby red, emerald green, or sapphire blue. Checkmark hijab style. A side-flowing chiffon hijab to complement the long silhouette. Secure with pearl or crystal hijab pins for a sophisticated touch. 5. Minimalist lehenga with hijab, modern look. Checkmark style. A solid-colored lehenga with a lightly embroidered blouse and dupatta for a contemporary yet elegant look. Checkmark fabric. Satin, silk, or georgette for a graceful drape. Checkmark colors. Muted tones like champagne, beige, soft blue, or pastel pink. Checkmark hijab style. A turban-style hijab or neatly wrapped silk hijab for a polished effect. Pair with delicate earrings and a
Hijab
matching
styling
clutch.
tips for lehenga outfits, wedding edition. Wearing a hijab with a lehenga can create a graceful, elegant, and traditional wedding look. Whether you're the bride, bridesmaid, or a guest, here's how to style your hijab perfectly with a lehenga. 1. Best hijab fabrics for a lehenga. Choose light, flowy, and elegant fabrics that complement the richness of the lehenga. Checkmark chiffon, lightweight, breathable, and drapes beautifully. Checkmark silk or satin, adds a royal and luxurious touch, perfect for weddings. Checkmark georgette, soft, drapes well, and works great for layered hijab. Checkmark organza, sheer, delicate, and adds a dreamy effect to your look. Crossmark avoid heavy cotton or jersey hijab as they can look too casual or stiff with lehengas. 2. Best hijab styles for a lehenga. Sparkles 1. Side draped hijab, elegant and traditional. Checkmark Y. Soft and flowy, allows earrings and mang tikka to shine. Checkmark How. Drape one side longer than the other and pin neatly over the shoulder. Works best with chiffon or georgette hijab. Checkmark Perfect for embroidered or heavily embellished lehengas. Sparkles 2. Layered hijab, voluminous and royal. Checkmark Y. Creates a regal, dramatic look. Checkmark How. Use a double-layered chiffon hijab and pin at different angles to add volume. Keep the layers loose and flowy. Checkmark Perfect for brides or grand wedding receptions. Sparkles 3. Turban-style hijab, modern and chic. Checkmark Y. Highlights the neckline and adds a contemporary touch to traditional outfits. Checkmark How. Wrap the hijab neatly around the head without draping over the shoulders. Pair with a high neck or peplum-style lehenga blouse. Checkmark Perfect for Indo-Western or minimalist lehengas. Sparkles 4. Loose draped hijab, soft and romantic. Checkmark Y. Gives a graceful, effortless vibe. Checkmark How. Let the hijab loosely drape over the chest and shoulders. Best secured with delicate hijab pins or a brooch. Checkmark Perfect for pastel or floral lehengas. Sparkles 5. Dupatta over hijab, regal and traditional. Checkmark Y. Ideal for brides who want to blend modesty with culture. Checkmark How. Wear a hijab in a neutral or matching shade. Place the bridal dupatta over the hijab. letting it flow over the shoulder. Checkmark perfect for bridal lehengas or heavily embroidered wedding outfits. 3. Matching your hijab with your lehenga. Checkmark monochrome elegance. Match the hijab with the lehenga for a seamless, sophisticated look. Example, emerald green lehenga plus emerald green hijab. Checkmark contrasting hijab for a pop of color. Choose a hijab that complements the lehenga, gold, silver, or neutral tones. Example, maroon lehenga plus champagne gold hijab. Checkmark embroidered a lace hijab. Match hijab embroidery with lehenga motifs for a regal touch. Example, navy blue lehenga with gold embroidery plus navy hijab with gold lace edges. 4. Accessories to elevate your hijab look. Sparkles maan tikka over the hijab, a traditional touch perfect for brides. Sparkles pearl or crystal hijab pins, add subtle sparkle to secure your hijab. Sparkles statement earrings, pair with side-draped hijab for an elegant look. Sparkles jeweled headbands or brooches, perfect for a bridal hijab look. Frock outfits with hijab for weddings. Wearing a frock-style dress with a hijab is a perfect combination of elegance and modesty for a wedding. Whether you're the bride, bridesmaid, or guest, here are some stunning styles to consider. Number 1. Anarkali frock with hijab, classic and royal. Checkmark style. A long, heavily embroidered anarkali frock with a flared bottom. Checkmark fabric. Silk, georgette, or net with intricate zardozi or mirror work. Checkmark colors. Deep maroon, emerald green, navy blue, gold, or ivory. Checkmark hijab style. A side-draped chiffon or silk hijab to enhance the regal look. Pair with a maan tikka over the hijab for a traditional touch. Number 2. Gown-style frock with hijab, modern and elegant. Checkmark style. A floor-length gown-style frock with a fitted bodice and a flared skirt. Checkmark fabric. Satin, silk, or chiffon with delicate embroidery. Checkmark colors. Pastel tones like blush pink, lilac, champagne, or powder blue. Checkmark hijab style. A flowy or layered hijab in georgette for a soft, dreamy effect. Secure with a crystal hijab pin for extra glam. Number 3. Peplum frock with hijab, trendy and modest. Checkmark style. A peplum style frock with a long, flowy skirt or sharara pants. Checkmark fabric. Net, velvet, or organza with heavy embellishments. Checkmark colors. Bold shades like wine red, dark teal, or rose gold. Checkmark hijab style. A turban-style hijab for a modern touch. Pair with statement earrings and a jeweled hijab pin. Number 4. A-line frock with hijab, minimalist and chic. Checkmark style. A simple yet elegant A-line frock with light embroidery. Checkmark fabric. Soft crepe, chiffon, or georgette for a graceful drape. Checkmark colors. Neutral tones like beige, grey, soft peach, or mint green. Checkmark hijab style. A neatly wrapped silk hijab for a polished effect. Add a delicate brooch for extra elegance. Number 5. Layered a ruffled frock with hijab, dramatic and princess-like. Checkmark style. A multi-layered frock with ruffles or tulle for a voluminous look. Checkmark fabric. Organza, net, or satin for a luxurious feel. Checkmark colors. Royal shades like deep purple, dark blue, or ruby red. Checkmark hijab style. A loose draped or layered hijab to complement the frock's volume. Pair with a matching or contrast hijab for a bold statement. Styling your hijab with a frock outfit for a wedding can enhance your elegance while maintaining a modest look. Here are some styling tips. Number 1. Choose the right fabric. Chiffon or georgette. Flowy and lightweight, perfect for a soft, elegant look. Silk or satin. Adds a luxurious touch, best for formal evening events. Lace or embroidered hijab. Works beautifully with simpler frocks to add texture. Number 2. Elegant draping styles. Classic wrap. A neatly wrapped hijab that frames the face and tucks into the dress. Side pinned hijab. Drape one side longer and pin it over the shoulder for a graceful effect. Turban style with a veil. A chic turban with a detachable veil for a regal look. Loose draping. Softly draped for a flowy, effortless style, ideal for chiffon hijab. Number 3. Coordinate colors thoughtfully. Matching hijab. A seamless, elegant look with the same shade as your frock. Contrasting hijab. A striking contrast, e.g., navy with silver, emerald with gold, for bold styling. Neutral hijab. A soft, neutral shade, like beige, ivory, or blush that complements any outfit. Number 4. Embellishments and accessories. Brooch or hijab pins. Add a statement brooch or decorative pins for a touch of glamour. Pearl or crystal headband. Perfect for weddings to give a princess-like appearance. Undercaps and volumizers. Ensure a smooth base and add slight volume if needed for a polished look. Number 5. Consider neckline and frock details. High neck frocks. Tuck your hijab in neatly for a clean, sophisticated finish. Embellished neckline. Choose a simple hijab style to avoid covering intricate details. Off-shoulder frocks. Opt for a draped or layered hijab style to balance the look. Would you like suggestions based on a specific frock design or wedding theme? Kaftan outfits with hijab for wedding dresses are a beautiful combination of elegance, modesty, and cultural charm. Whether you are a bride, bridesmaid, or wedding guest, a kaftan can be styled to suit any wedding occasion. Here are some stunning kaftan wedding dress ideas with hijab. Number 1. Bridal kaftan with hijab. Luxury Moroccan kaftan. Features gold or silver embroidery, a cinched waist with a belt, and a matching silk or lace hijab for a regal bridal look. Embroidered white or ivory kaftan. A flowy and elegant choice with delicate beadwork, lace detailing, and a sheer or matching hijab. Layered or cape-style kaftan. A modern bridal option with sheer or lace layers and a long, elegant hijab. Velvet kaftan with embellishments. Ideal for winter weddings, offering warmth and a rich, royal appearance. Pastel or champagne silk kaftan. A soft, feminine choice with pearl or sequin detailing for a dreamy bridal look. Number 2. Bridesmaid and wedding guest kaftan styles. Satin or silk kaftan with a hijab. A luxurious yet simple choice for bridesmaids or wedding guests. Pastel-colored kaftan with floral embroidery, perfect for daytime or garden weddings. Beaded or sequin kaftan, a glamorous choice for evening weddings. Jewel-toned kaftan, emerald, burgundy, navy, ideal for a rich and elegant look. Belted kaftan with sheer sleeves, a flattering and trendy option that adds a structured look. Number 4. Accessories to complete the look. Statement earrings and rings, add a touch of glamour. Elegant waist belt, Moroccan style, enhances the shape and adds sophistication. Embroidered or pearl clutch, a stylish accessory to complement the outfit. Heeled sandals or embellished shoes, elevate the overall wedding look. Hijab styling tips for kaftan outfits, wedding edition. Kaftan outfits are effortlessly elegant and regal, making them perfect for weddings. Pairing them with a hijab requires balance to maintain the flowy, graceful look. Here's how to style your hijab perfectly with a kaftan dress for a wedding. 1. Best hijab fabrics for kaftan outfits. Since kaftans are usually made from flowy fabrics, your hijab should complement that elegance. The best fabrics are checkmark chiffon, lightweight, drapes well, and blend seamlessly with kaftans. Checkmark silk or satin adds a luxurious touch, perfect for evening wedding looks. Checkmark georgette, soft and flowy, ideal for layered hijab styles. Checkmark organza, sheer and delicate, giving a dreamy, elegant effect. Crossmark avoid heavy or stiff fabrics like cotton or jersey, as they don't match the fluidity of kaftans. 2. Best hijab styles for kaftan dresses. Sparkles 1. Loose draped hijab, elegant and effortless. Checkmark Y. Complements the kaftan's flowy nature. Checkmark How. Wrap the hijab loosely around the head and let it fall over the shoulders. Use a hijab brooch or pin for a soft, romantic effect. Checkmark Perfect for embellished or embroidered kaftans. Sparkles 2. Side pinned hijab, chic and regal. Checkmark Y. Highlights jewelry and neckline details. Checkmark How. Drape one side longer than the other and pin it at the side. Let the fabric cascade over the shoulder. Checkmark Perfect for kaftans with detailed embroidery around the neckline. Sparkles 3. Turban style hijab, modern and sleek. Checkmark Y. Creates a sleek, structured look that contrasts beautifully with the loose kaftan. Checkmark How. Wrap the hijab snugly around the head, securing it at the nape. Leave the neckline visible for statement necklaces. Checkmark Perfect for satin or silk kaftans in solid colors. Sparkles 4. Layered hijab, dramatic and voluminous. Checkmark Y. Adds extra elegance and volume to the look. Checkmark How. Use a double-layered chiffon hijab and drape it over the shoulders. Adjust the folds to create a layered effect. Checkmark perfect for brides or grand wedding receptions. Sparkles 5. Kaftan dupatta over hijab, traditional and royal. Checkmark Y. Perfect for modest bridal looks or formal events. Checkmark How. Wear a matching or neutral hijab underneath. Drape the kaftan's dupatta over the hijab and secure it with a brooch. Checkmark perfect for bridal kaftans with long capes or embroidered shawls. 3. Matching your hijab with your kaftan. Checkmark monochrome elegance. Match the hijab with the kaftan for a seamless, sophisticated look. Checkmark contrast for a bold statement. Choose a complementary hijab color, e.g., gold hijab with a navy kaftan. Checkmark embellished hijab for extra glam. Opt for hijab with lace, pearls, or sequins to match the kaftan's embroidery. 4. Accessories to elevate your hijab look. Sparkles mang tikka over the hijab. Adds a regal, traditional touch. Sparkles pearl or crystal hijab pins. Enhances elegance while keeping the hijab secure. Sparkles statement earrings. Works best with side-pinned or turban hijab. Sparkles jeweled headbands or brooches. Perfect for a bridal hijab look. Sparkles layered dupatta styling. Draping a kaftan's dupatta over the hijab adds drama. 5. Pro tips for a flawless hijab look. Checkmark use an end cap. Keeps the hijab secure and prevents slipping. Checkmark pin it well. Hidden hijab pins ensure the hijab stays in place all day. Checkmark balance the volume. If your kaftan is heavily embroidered, keep the hijab simple. Checkmark blend with makeup and jewelry. Soft glam makeup and delicate accessories complete the look. Long outfits with hijab for weddings. Long outfits paired with a hijab create a graceful and modest wedding look. Whether you are a bride, bridesmaid, or guest, here are some elegant long outfit ideas and hijab styling tips for a perfect wedding look. Number 1. Long gown with hijab, elegant and regal. Checkmark style. A floor-length gown with intricate embroidery, beadwork, or sequins. Checkmark fabric. Satin, georgette, chiffon, or net for a flowy effect. Checkmark colors. Classic wedding shades like champagne, navy blue, emerald green, maroon, or pastel pink. Checkmark hijab style. Use draped chiffon or silk hijab for a soft, romantic vibe. Add a jeweled headpiece or mang tikka over the hijab for extra glamour. Number 2. Anarkali dress with hijab, traditional and graceful. Checkmark style. A long, flowy anarkali dress with heavy embroidery or mirror work. Checkmark fabric. Silk, velvet, or georgette with zari or sequin embellishments. Checkmark colors. Rich tones like royal blue, ruby red, bottle green, or gold. Checkmark hijab style. A side-pinned hijab with a matching dupatta draped over one shoulder. Embroidered or lace-trimmed hijab for a traditional touch. Number 3. Kaftan outfit with hijab, modest and stylish. Checkmark style. A long kaftan dress with flowy sleeves and embellishments. Checkmark fabric. Organza, satin, or silk with embroidery or stonework. Checkmark colors. Luxurious shades like deep purple, metallic silver, or teal green. Checkmark hijab style. A neatly wrapped turban hijab for a chic and modern look. Or a loose draped hijab with a layered kaftan dupatta for a regal effect. Number 4. Abaya gown with hijab, minimalist and chic. Checkmark style. A floor-length abaya gown with elegant detailing like embroidery or beadwork. Checkmark fabric. Satin, chiffon, or crepe for a smooth drape. Checkmark colors. Classic tones like black and gold, ivory, or soft pastels. Checkmark hijab style. A monochrome hijab for a seamless look. Add a matching hijab with pearl or lace details for extra elegance. Number 5. Long maxi dress with hijab, soft and feminine. Checkmark style. A flowy maxi dress with a fitted bodice and flared skirt. Checkmark fabric. Chiffon, organza, or silk with floral embroidery or embellishments. Checkmark colors. Soft tones like dusty rose, sage green, baby blue, or lavender. Checkmark hijab style. A layered hijab in chiffon for a dreamy, elegant effect. Pair with statement earrings and a delicate hijab pin. Hijab styling tips for long outfits wedding. Long outfits like gowns, anarkali dresses, kaftans, abaya gowns, and maxi dresses create a regal and modest wedding look. The right hijab styling can enhance your outfit, making you look elegant and graceful. 1. Best hijab fabrics for long outfits. Your hijab should complement the fabric and flow of your long dress. Checkmark chiffon, light, breathable, and drapes beautifully. Checkmark silk or satin, luxurious and adds a glossy, sophisticated touch. Checkmark georgette, soft and easy to style for layered or draped hijab. Checkmark organza, sheer and delicate, giving a dreamy and formal effect. Crossmark avoid stiff or heavy fabrics like cotton or jersey, as they don't blend well with elegant long dresses. 2. Best hijab styles for long outfits. Number 1. Loose draped hijab, romantic and elegant. Checkmark Y. Complements the flowy nature of long dresses. Checkmark How. Wrap the hijab loosely around the head and let it fall over the shoulders. Secure with a crystal brooch or hijab pin. Checkmark Perfect for maxi dresses, anarkali suits, and kaftans. Number 2. Side pinned hijab, chic and regal. Checkmark Y. Highlights earrings and neckline embellishments. Checkmark How. Let one side hang longer and pin it neatly over the shoulder. Works best with lightweight chiffon or georgette hijab. Checkmark Perfect for gown-style dresses and embroidered kaftans. Number 3. Turban-style hijab, modern and stylish. Checkmark Y. Offers a sleek and structured look. Checkmark How. Wrap the hijab snugly around the head and tuck the ends neatly. Keep the neckline visible for statement jewelry. Checkmark Perfect for silk abaya gowns, kaftans, and Indo-Western long outfits. Number 4. Layered hijab, dramatic and voluminous. Checkmark Y. Adds depth and elegance to a bridal or formal look. Checkmark How. Use a double-layered chiffon hijab and drape it loosely. Let one layer fall over the chest and another over the back. Checkmark Perfect for bridal gowns, formal maxi dresses, and heavily embroidered dresses. Number 5. Hijab with dupatta, traditional and majestic. Checkmark Y. Ideal for modest bridal or traditional looks. Checkmark How. Wear a matching hijab underneath. Drape the wedding dupatta over the hijab, securing it with a brooch. Checkmark Perfect for bridal lehengas, anarkali suits, and Pakistani wedding dresses. Number 3. Matching your hijab with your long outfit. Checkmark Monochrome elegance. Same colored hijab for a sophisticated, seamless look. Checkmark Contrasting hijab. Choose a complementary shade for a bold, stylish touch. Checkmark Embellished hijab. Opt for lace, pearls, or sequins to match the outfit's embroidery. Number 4. Accessories to elevate your hijab look. Sparkles Mang Tikka over the hijab, a regal touch for brides or wedding guests. Sparkles Pearl or Crystal hijab pins, add subtle sparkle and secure the hijab in place. Sparkles Statement earrings, works best with side-pinned hijab. Sparkles Jeweled headbands or brooches, perfect for brides or evening wedding looks. Number 5. Pro tips for a flawless hijab look. Checkmark Use an end cap, keeps the hijab secure and prevents slipping. Checkmark Pin it well, hidden hijab pins ensure the hijab stays in place all day. Checkmark Balance the volume, if your dress is heavily embroidered, keep the hijab simple. Checkmark Blend with makeup and jewelry, soft glam makeup and delicate accessories complete the look. Would you like step-by-step tutorials or specific hijab styles based on your outfit color? Hijabi wedding dresses combine elegance with modesty, offering stunning designs that cater to different styles and traditions. Here are some popular styles. Number 1. Classic ball gown. A voluminous skirt with intricate lace or beaded details. Long sleeves for full coverage. Paired with a matching lace or silk hijab. Number 2. A-line elegance. Flowy and flattering silhouette. Can feature delicate embroidery or pearls. A lightweight chiffon hijab for a soft look. Number 3. Minimalist and modern. Simple, sleek satin or crepe fabric. Clean lines with minimal embellishments. A structured, draped hijab for a sophisticated touch. Number 4. Princess-inspired. Sparkling beadwork with a fitted bodice. Layered tulle or organza skirt. A regal, embellished hijab. Number 5. Traditional and cultural fusion. Kaftan style or abaya-inspired wedding dresses. Gold or silver embroidery reflecting cultural heritage. A richly embroidered or jeweled hijab. Would you like recommendations for specific designers or online stores? There are many beautiful and modest wedding outfit options for women who wear the hijab. Whether you're the bride, a bridesmaid, or a guest, here are some elegant styles to consider. For the bride, number 1, ball gown elegance, a voluminous dress with lace, pearls, or beading, paired with a delicate lace or tulle hijab. Number 2, A-line grace, a flowy A-line dress with subtle embroidery, chiffon layers, and a lightweight silk hijab. Number 3, minimalist chic, a sleek satin or crepe gown with clean lines and a structured hijab for a sophisticated, modern look. Number 4, traditional kaftan or abaya style, luxurious fabric with gold, silver embroidery, often seen in Moroccan, Middle Eastern, or South Asian weddings. Number 5, two-piece elegance, a long-sleeved embellished top with a matching full skirt for a contemporary yet modest bridal look. For the bridesmaids, long, modest satin or chiffon gowns in soft pastel or jewel tones. Flowy, high-neck dresses with lace or beadwork. Coordinated hijab that match or complement the dress color. For wedding guests, maxi dresses, elegant and modest with floral prints or embellishments. Embroidered abayas, stylish yet modest for a wedding setting. Cape dresses, flowing fabric with a cape-style overlay for a regal touch. Modest jumpsuits, chic, wide-leg jumpsuits with long sleeves, paired with a stylish belt. Heavy outfits with hijab for wedding. For a wedding with a hijab, you could go for outfits that balance elegance and modesty while incorporating luxurious fabrics and intricate details. Here are some ideas. Number 1. Embroidered abaya. A heavily embellished abaya with intricate embroidery, beads, or sequins can look stunning. Look for pieces in rich colors like deep emerald, burgundy, or royal blue. Pair it with a silk or satin hijab to keep the look sophisticated. Number 2. Maxi dresses with capes. Opt for a floor-length maxi dress with a cape or long, flowing sleeves. The dress can feature lace, satin, or velvet materials. Adding a cape or long sheer overlay can give the outfit a dramatic and elegant flair. Number 3. Traditional anarkali or kaftan. For a more traditional touch, an anarkali or a kaftan-style dress in a heavy fabric like brocade or silk with intricate detailing can be a great option. Pair it with a contrasting hijab made of a lighter fabric like chiffon or georgette. Number 4. Peplum dress with skirt. A peplum top with a long, flowy skirt can look chic and formal. The peplum can be made of lace or silk, adding dimension and texture, while the skirt can have pleats or layers for a fuller look. Number 5. Jumpsuits with sheer overlay. For something modern yet modest, a jumpsuit with a high waistline paired with a sheer overlay or a cape can be both fashionable and modest. A silk hijab in a complementary color will add elegance. Number 6. Ball gown with a hijab. If you want a classic, princess-like look, opt for a ball gown made of luxurious fabrics like tulle, satin, or organza. The dress can have a lot of volume, and the hijab can be styled in a simple, elegant way to maintain balance. Accessorize with statement jewelry, like a bold necklace, earrings, or a tiara, to complement your look. Maxi outfits with hijab for wedding. For a wedding, a maxi outfit with a hijab can be both elegant and modest, while allowing you to feel like a bride in your own unique style. Here are a few options. Number 1. A-line maxi dress. An A-line maxi dress with delicate lace, satin, or tulle can offer a graceful silhouette. Look for one with intricate beading, floral embroidery, or sequins for a touch of glamour. Pair it with a simple yet elegant hijab in a matching or contrasting tone to keep it classy. Number 2. Mermaid or fishtail maxi. If you are looking for something that hugs the body before flaring out, a mermaid or fishtail dress could work beautifully. You can opt for one with heavy embellishments on the borders, like crystals or pearls, and let the hijab be the finishing touch, either matching or in a coordinating color. Number 3. Maxi dress with drape details. Choose a dress with draping or pleating on the borders or skirt, which can create a flowing, ethereal look. These dresses often come in luxurious fabrics like chiffon, silk, or satin, perfect for a wedding. A soft, airy hijab will complement this elegant look. Number 4. Kaftan maxi dress. A kaftan-style maxi dress can be a comfortable yet stunning choice for a wedding. These dresses are often loose-fitting, with wide sleeves and lavish details such as embroidery, lace, or beads. Pair it with a sleek, understated hijab to balance the flowiness of the dress. Number 5. Ball gown style maxi. For a more dramatic look, a ball gown style maxi dress with a voluminous skirt can give you that princess feel. These dresses can be adorned with intricate beading, lace, or tulle layers, and the hijab can be made of a light fabric like chiffon or georgette to add movement without overwhelming the look. Number 6. Jumpsuit maxi with flowy overlay. For something a bit more contemporary, a maxi jumpsuit with a flowy overlay or cape can offer a unique twist to traditional wedding attire. The overlay can be sheer with lace details or a solid matching color, and the hijab can be styled neatly to add sophistication. Number 7. High-low maxi dress. A high-low maxi dress gives a modern feel with a dramatic look at the back. You can choose one with an embellished waist or neckline for added luxury, paired with a matching hijab to tie everything together. You can accessorize with a simple tiara, a crystal belt, or bold earrings to add a bit of sparkle to the outfit. When it comes to the hijab, fabrics like silk, satin, or chiffon with subtle embellishments will complement the dress beautifully without taking attention away from the overall outfit. Hijab styling tips for maxi outfits. When pairing a hijab with a maxi outfit, the goal is to create a balanced and elegant look. Here are some styling tips for maxi dresses or skirts. Number 1. Choose the right hijab fabric. Chiffon or georgette, flowy, lightweight fabrics that pair perfectly with maxi outfits for a soft and elegant finish. Silk or satin, a luxurious option that complements formal or evening maxi outfits. Cotton, a comfortable option for daytime or casual maxi dresses. Number 2. Draping styles for maxi outfits. Classic wrap. This is a timeless style where the hijab is wrapped around the head and neck, tucked securely under the chin. It works well for almost any maxi outfit, offering a clean and graceful look. Side-draped hijab. Allow one side of the hijab to drape longer over the shoulder or chest, creating an elegant cascade effect. Loose draping. For a relaxed, effortless style, loosely drape the hijab over the shoulder or around the back, ensuring the flow complements the movement of the maxi. Turban style. A sleek and modern style, perfect for adding structure to a flowy maxi dress. Pair it with a fitted maxi to balance proportions. Number 3. Color coordination. Monochromatic look. For a chic, seamless look, choose a hijab in the same color as the maxi outfit, whether in matching tones or a similar hue. Contrasting hijab. If you are feeling bold, choose a hijab in a contrasting color to the maxi dress for a striking effect, e.g., a burgundy hijab with a navy blue dress. Neutral tones. Opt for neutral shades, beige, ivory, black, or gray if the maxi outfit is patterned or colorful. This helps maintain balance. Number 4. Hijab accessories. Hijab pins and brooches. A decorative pin or brooch at the side or back can elevate the look, especially with solid color hijab. Headbands. A headband placed underneath the hijab can add some glam or a chic touch, particularly for formal occasions. Velvet or embellished hijab. A textured or embellished hijab can add a luxurious feel, making it suitable for weddings or parties. Number 5. Layering and volume. Under cap or bonnet. To ensure the hijab stays in place and maintains volume, consider using an undercap that complements the outfit. Layered hijab styles. Create dimension with layered fabrics or styles that add a unique twist to your look while keeping it modest. Volumizing the hijab. Add a little volume around the crown area for a more structured look if your maxi dress is loose-fitting. Number 6. Consider the maxi dress style. Fitted maxi. If the dress is fitted at the waist or bust, a flowing or draped hijab will balance the proportions and add a graceful touch. Flared A-line maxi. A side-draped or classic wrapped hijab works best to keep the overall silhouette balanced. Off-shoulder or halter neck maxi. Choose a style where the hijab frames the face neatly while covering the chest, such as a side-draped hijab or a turban style. Would you like more detailed suggestions based on a specific maxi dress design? Bridal outfit with hijab. A bridal outfit with hijab can be both stunning and modest, blending elegance and tradition beautifully. Here are some ideas to help you style a bridal look with a hijab. Number 1. Classic white or ivory bridal gown with a hijab. Dress style. A classic ball gown, A-line, or mermaid silhouette works beautifully with a hijab. Choose lace, satin, or silk for a luxurious finish. Hijab style. A simple yet elegant chiffon or silk hijab in white, ivory, or a matching color to the gown. A smooth wrap or a side-draped hijab adds grace and frames the face perfectly. Embellishments. Add a crystal or pearl-embellished hijab pin or brooch at the side to bring in a touch of sparkle. Accessories. A tiara or bridal headband worn underneath the hijab adds a regal and feminine touch. Number 2. Lace or embroidered hijab. Dress style. Opt for a bridal gown with lace detailing or embroidery. The intricate designs will complement a lace hijab for a cohesive look. Hijab style. Choose a lace hijab or a hijab with light embroidery that mirrors the dress. Draping it loosely with some texture can create a romantic, vintage vibe. Accessories. Pair with simple earrings or a statement necklace that doesn't overpower the lace details. Number 3. Velvet bridal gown with a luxurious hijab. Dress style. Velvet is a rich fabric that gives off an elegant, regal vibe. A fitted velvet gown, whether in rich jewel tones or traditional white, can be paired beautifully with a hijab. Hijab style. A luxurious velvet or satin hijab to match the gown, styled in a smooth wrap or loose drape. You can add a slight volume at the crown for an elegant shape. Accessories. A crystal-studded hijab pin or a bridal headpiece can add a glamorous touch. Number 4. Modern bridal look with a hijab. Dress style. For a contemporary twist, go for a minimalist gown with clean lines, like a sleek column dress or a chic slip gown. Hijab style. Opt for a modern draped or layered hijab, perhaps in a bold fabric like satin or silk. You can also go for a slightly structured style or even a turban-style hijab for a sleek look. Accessories. A modern, simple veil or hairpiece can be layered over or under the hijab for added sophistication. Number 5. Soft pastel bridal gown with a complementary hijab. Dress style. Soft pastel gowns, blush pink, lavender, or mint, are a fresh alternative to the traditional white dress. The gentle hues can be paired with a matching or neutral-colored hijab. Hijab style. A soft chiffon hijab in a matching pastel color to the dress or in a neutral tone like ivory or beige works beautifully. A side-pinned hijab with some volume near the face adds elegance. Accessories. A floral or pearl headpiece worn underneath the hijab enhances the soft pastel look. Number 6. Dramatic bridal look with a long train and hijab. Dress style. A bridal gown with a long, dramatic train paired with a fitted top or corset borders. Hijab style. To balance the drama of the gown, go for a hijab with some volume or layered folds that complement the dress's grandeur. A longer, flowing hijab that follows the length of the train can create a cohesive, royal appearance. Accessories. A tiara or crown-like headpiece worn underneath the hijab can add a royal touch. Number 7. Traditional cultural bridal look. Dress style. If you are opting for a culturally influenced bridal gown, like a traditional outfit from your heritage, keep the hijab style in harmony with the cultural significance. Hijab style. You can wrap the hijab in an elegant style that follows your cultural practices, often with intricate pleating or folds, adorned with decorative pins or brooches. Accessories. Traditional jewelry, like a mang tikka or headpiece, can be added over the hijab to enhance the look. General tips. Hijab fabric. For a bridal look, silk, chiffon, satin, or lace are beautiful choices that will add texture and luxury. Color coordination. While white and ivory are traditional, feel free to add subtle touches of color with the hijab, especially if your gown is a pastel or soft shade. Volume and texture. Depending on the gown style, you can either keep the hijab sleek and minimal or create some volume with layers, creating a sophisticated and balanced look. Makeup and hair. Keep the makeup soft and elegant to match the bridal theme, and if desired, use a headband or tiara beneath the hijab for a polished look. Would you like ideas for specific bridal themes or color schemes? Yes, you can find designs of dresses for every type of women. Number 1. Bridal dresses, Dulhan Ke Kapde. Lahanga choli, heavy embroidery, zari work, or pastel tones for a modern bridal look. Gown-style bridal dress, flowy, royal-looking gowns with hijab styling. Sharara, gharara set, traditional yet trendy for wedding functions. Anarkali suit, floor-length anarkali with intricate embroidery for a graceful look. Number 2. Party wear dresses. Maxi dress, elegant, flowy gowns with hijab styling. A-line dresses, stylish and modest, perfect for formal events. Peplum tops with skirts or pants, a chic Indo-Western fusion. Sari with modest draping, classic saris with covered styling. Number 3. Casual and everyday wear. Kurti with palazzo or jeans, comfortable and stylish. Long tunic with trousers, a modest and trendy everyday look. Abaya dresses, stylish and simple, perfect for modest fashion. Shirt dresses, long, button-down dresses for a casual yet classy look. Number 4. Office and formal wear. Blazer with long dress, professional and elegant. Long shirt with trousers, a modest yet stylish choice for work. Pleated skirts with blouse, trendy and work appropriate. Number 5. Western dresses. Midi and maxi dresses, perfect for outings or formal events. Jumpsuits, chic and modern modest fashion. Tunic with leggings, simple yet stylish for a casual day out. If you want to see the design of a specific dress, you can tell me. I can also give you ideas or images according to the trend. A modest and trendy everyday look. Abaya dresses, stylish and simple, perfect for modest fashion. Shirt dresses, long, button-down dresses for a casual yet classy look. Number 4. Office and formal wear. Blazer with long dress, professional and elegant. Long shirt with trousers, a modest yet stylish choice for work. Pleated skirts with blouse, trendy and work appropriate. Number 5. Western dresses. Midi and maxi dresses, perfect for outings or formal events. Jumpsuits, chic and modern modest fashion. Tunic with leggings, simple yet stylish for a casual day out. If you want to see the design of a specific dress, you can tell me. I can also give you ideas or images according to the trend. Bridal outfit with hijab. A bridal outfit with hijab can be both stunning and modest, blending elegance and tradition beautifully. Here are some ideas to help you style a bridal look with a hijab. Number 1. Classic white or ivory bridal gown with a hijab. Dress style. A classic ball gown, A-line, or mermaid silhouette works beautifully with a hijab. Choose lace, satin, or silk for a luxurious finish. Hijab style. A simple yet elegant chiffon or silk hijab in white, ivory, or a matching color to the gown. A smooth wrap or a side-draped hijab adds grace and frames the face perfectly. Embellishments. Add a crystal or pearl-embellished hijab pin or brooch at the side to bring in a touch of sparkle. Accessories. A tiara or bridal headband worn underneath the hijab adds a regal and feminine touch. Number 2. Lace or embroidered hijab. Dress style. Opt for a bridal gown with lace detailing or embroidery. The intricate designs will complement a lace hijab for a cohesive look. Hijab style. Choose a lace hijab or a hijab with light embroidery that mirrors the dress. Draping it loosely with some texture can create a romantic, vintage vibe. Accessories. Pair with simple earrings or a statement necklace that doesn't overpower the lace details. Number 3. Velvet bridal gown with a luxurious hijab. Dress style. Velvet is a rich fabric that gives off an elegant, regal vibe. A fitted velvet gown, whether in rich jewel tones or traditional white, can be paired beautifully with a hijab. Hijab style. A luxurious velvet or satin hijab to match the gown, styled in a smooth wrap or loose drape. You can add a slight bridal outfit with hijab. A bridal outfit with hijab can be both stunning and modest, blending elegance and tradition beautifully. Here are some ideas to help you style a bridal look with a hijab. Number 1. Classic white or ivory bridal gown with a hijab. Dress style. A classic ball gown, A-line, or mermaid silhouette works beautifully with a hijab. Choose lace, satin, or silk for a luxurious finish. Hijab style. A simple yet elegant chiffon or silk hijab in white, ivory, or a matching color to the gown. A smooth wrap or a side-draped hijab adds grace and frames the face perfectly. Embellishments. Add a crystal or pearl-embellished hijab pin or brooch at the side to bring in a touch of sparkle. Accessories. A tiara or bridal headband worn underneath the hijab adds a regal and feminine touch. Number 2. Lace or embroidered hijab. Dress style. Opt for a bridal gown with lace detailing or embroidery. The intricate designs will complement a lace hijab for a cohesive look. Hijab style. Choose a lace hijab or a hijab with light embroidery that mirrors the dress. Draping it loosely with some texture can create a romantic, vintage vibe. Accessories. Pair with simple earrings or a statement necklace that doesn't overpower the lace details. Number 3. Velvet bridal gown with a luxurious hijab. Dress style. Velvet is a rich fabric that gives off an elegant, regal vibe. A fitted velvet gown, whether in rich jewel tones or traditional white, can be paired beautifully with a hijab. Hijab style. A luxurious velvet or satin hijab to match the gown, styled in a smooth wrap or loose drape. You can add a slight volume at the crown for an elegant shape. Accessories. A crystal-studded hijab pin or a bridal headpiece can add a glamorous touch. Number 4. Modern bridal look with a hijab. Dress style. For a contemporary twist, go for a minimalist gown with clean lines, like a sleek column dress or a chic slip gown. Hijab style. Opt for a modern draped or layered hijab, perhaps in a bold fabric like satin or silk. You can also go for a slightly structured style or even a turban-style hijab for a sleek look. Accessories. A modern, simple veil or hairpiece can be layered over or under the hijab for added sophistication. Number 5. Soft pastel bridal gown with a complementary hijab. Dress style. Soft pastel gowns, blush pink, lavender, or mint, are a fresh alternative to the traditional white dress. The gentle hues can be paired with a matching or neutral-colored hijab. Hijab style. A soft chiffon hijab in a matching pastel color to the dress or in a neutral tone like ivory or beige works beautifully. A side-pinned hijab with some volume near the face adds elegance. Accessories. A floral or pearl headpiece worn underneath the hijab enhances the soft pastel bridesmaid hijab outfits, stylish and modest. As a bridesmaid, your outfit should be elegant, modest, and complement the bride's look without overshadowing it. Whether you are going for a traditional, modern, or fusion style, here are some stunning hijab outfit ideas for bridesmaids. Number 1. Anarkali dress with hijab, graceful and traditional. Checkmark style. A long, flowy anarkali suit with intricate embroidery or sequin detailing. Checkmark fabric. Silk, chiffon, or organza for a regal look. Checkmark colors. Soft pastels, peach, mint green, lavender, or blush pink, or rich jewel tones, emerald, navy, or maroon. Checkmark hijab style. Chiffon hijab with soft draping for an ethereal look. Side-pinned hijab with a matching dupatta draped over the shoulder. Checkmark accessories. Statement earrings, if using a side-pinned hijab. Subtle man tikka over the hijab for a touch of tradition. Number 2. Gown-style dress with hijab, modern and elegant. Checkmark style. A floor-length gown with a fitted bodice and flared skirt. Checkmark fabric. Satin, georgette, or tulle with lace or beadwork. Checkmark colors. Champagne, dusty blue, mauve, rose gold, or deep plum. Checkmark hijab style. Turban-style hijab for a chic, sophisticated look. Draped satin hijab for a sleek and polished appearance. Checkmark accessories. Minimalist pearl hijab pins for an elegant touch. A statement belt or embroidered waistline to enhance the silhouette. Number 3. Kaftan dress with hijab, regal and modest. Checkmark style. A loose-fitted kaftan dress with cape sleeves or embellishments. Checkmark fabric. Silk, satin, or crepe for a graceful drape. Checkmark colors. Metallic tones, gold, silver, bronze, or rich hues, sapphire, deep green, burgundy. Checkmark hijab style. Layered hijab drape for a voluminous, regal look. Side-pinned hijab with an embroidered headband. Checkmark accessories. Crystal or beaded headpiece over the hijab for a luxurious touch. Embroidered clutch bag to complete the look. Number 4. Maxi dress with hijab, soft and feminine. Checkmark style. A modest, full-length maxi dress with lace details or pleats. Checkmark fabric. Flowy fabrics like chiffon, organza, or silk. Checkmark colors. Pastel pink, soft lilac, champagne, or powder blue. Checkmark hijab style. Loose, flowy chiffon hijab with a delicate hijab pin. Hijab with a matching scarf draped over one shoulder. Checkmark accessories. Floral hijab brooch for a soft, romantic touch. Elegant heels and minimal jewelry to keep it classy. Number 5. Abaya gown with hijab, minimalist and stylish. Checkmark style. A simple yet elegant abaya gown with subtle embroidery or beadwork. Checkmark fabric. Satin, georgette, or velvet for a sophisticated feel. Checkmark colors. Classic neutral tones like ivory, champagne, or pastel shades. Checkmark hijab style. Monochrome hijab for a seamless, elegant look. Contrasting hijab for a bold yet balanced appearance. Checkmark accessories. Minimalist earrings and a delicate bracelet. Embroidered belt to define the waistline. Bridesmaid hijab styling tips. Checkmark match your hijab with the dress, go for monochrome elegance or complementary contrast. Checkmark. Choose a lightweight hijab fabric, chiffon, silk, or georgette drapes beautifully with long dresses. Checkmark. Secure your hijab with end caps and pins, keeps it intact all day. Checkmark. Accessorize smartly, add a brooch, headband, or pearl pins for extra glamour. Checkmark. Balance the look. If the dress is heavily embroidered, keep the hijab simple. Would you like specific color combinations or hijab styling tutorials for bridesmaid outfits? The wedding season has arrived, and the biggest question on everyone's mind is, what should I wear? Whether you're the bride, groom, or a guest, finding the perfect outfit that looks stunning and feels comfortable can be a real challenge. But don't worry, because in today's video, I'll be sharing some amazing wedding outfit ideas to help you stand out in every function. Whether you love a classic traditional look or want to add a modern twist to your style, I've got you covered. So, let's dive in and explore the most stylish wedding outfits of the season. So, that's it for today, friends. I hope these wedding outfit ideas helped you find the perfect look for all your wedding functions. If there was any particular outfit or look you loved the most, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it with your friends who might also be looking for wedding outfit inspiration. And, of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I'll be bringing you even more exciting videos, from wedding outfit ideas to beauty tips and all the latest trends for wedding season. Feel free to leave your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments below. I'm always ready to respond. If you need more tips on specific looks or have any other topics you want me to cover, just let me know. Your feedback means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore even more fashionable looks and styling tips for weddings. Until then, happy wedding planning, take care of yourselves, and enjoy your wedding shopping. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.